This is the second time coming all the way out here and having to go home again. So fingers crossed that works. Alrighty, well, we're back at the quarry. So we got the side-by-side going now. The issue with that was it was that solenoid. So in here, I'll show you where we had this off. The solenoid just in there, that was fused on. So basically the starter motor, the bike thought, starter motor is always trying to turn over. So that's right, it was an easy fix, send it off. Now, this is a cursed quarry, I swear. I got the bike back, and I don't know, I'm waiting to hear back whether when the bike was in the shop they topped up the oil on this, but I pulled the pull cord off to see if there's any problem with that. There wasn't. So I pulled the spark plug out, and when I pulled the spark plug out, this thing just had oil all over it. Now I don't know bugger all about motors, but I know a spark plug's not meant to be covered in oil. So I gave, with the spark plug out, I gave this a bit of a turn, and watch this. Don't know if you can see that or not, but there's oil coming out of there. So good old ChatGPT has said what's happened is the oil sump's overfill, and that's leaked into the cylinder. I haven't put oil in that, and it's done heaps of work. So I don't know what's happened here. I'm waiting to hear back from the shop, see whether they, being good buggers, thought, oh, we'll top his oil up for him, but I wouldn't have thought so. So don't know. But anyway, that's today's exciting bloody adventure. Yeah, I'll follow along and we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's an easy fix. Apparently I just bloody drained the oil to a proper level and pull the bloody pull cord a few times, clear that piston out, and it should fire up. Hopefully. Otherwise, this is the second time coming all the way out here and having to go home again. So fingers crossed that works.
But it's going. So I'll just let that run for a bit and hopefully it'll clear itself out.
ChatGPT for the win. Mechanic. Bugger if I know what happened to that oil though. Still waiting to hear back from the workshop, but yeah, that's a mystery. That is a mystery. But it's going. We're back on. Right, I figured it out. When it was in at the shop, they didn't top the oil up, but they had, it's my fault, I left the spray tank on thinking it wouldn't be a problem, but they obviously needed to tip this up to get into the motor to fluff around with whatever they're doing. So this was tipped up and on its side for, I don't know how long, but longer than it should be, I guess. And oil's obviously just got into the piston cylinder, the cylinder. So it's all good. Should be sweet. Should be sweet. The only thing is I have drained a bit of oil out, so, but I didn't drain much. It was, yeah, bugger all. So I'm not too worried about that. I'll just top that up next time I get a chance. But it should run straight. So that does make some sense. And I didn't even think that they would need to tip that up and get into that thing. So next time I will take the spray tank off for them before I send it into the workshop. So yeah, bit of a lesson for me. Luckily, no harm done. Alrighty, well that's the quarry done. Finally, it was a good job. It was an enjoyable job. A little bit of drone work, a little bit of side-by-side work, but yeah, it was just one that was riddled with problems. We had obviously the side-by-side solenoid go, and then we had the water pump go, and then after the water pump, I didn't put anything on film, but we got a flat tyre, so it bloody, yeah, it was just one of those jobs. But all finished and happy with it. Client's all good. He's got another couple quarries for us that we're going to go do later as well. So yeah, all good. Happy to be out of there. I didn't do a lot of filming on the job, or any filming on the job, just because of the the health and safety side. I just spoke with the client and mentioned, and he wasn't that keen to have a camera hanging around all the place, which is completely fair. There's a lot of moving parts and things like that. So yeah. No worries about that. But yeah, we're on our way home. I was hoping to get another job done up here on the way home, but that wind's picked up a bit too much for the drone work, so we'll have to come back for that one another day. Not worth either having spray drift or just not doing a very good job. So yeah, I think with the wind the way it is, that's probably what would happen, one of those two. So that's alright, we'll head home, have a little bit of a admin afternoon, and yeah, we'll have to come back up for that one. But that's it for this video, so cheers for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.